we will start with fault codes. Fault codes will always have freeze frame, which will show you the status of the fault code. Helping component is what could possibly cause it. You can see more information about the fault code right here. It's going to show you where to connect and its pinouts. Here you can connect to check the diagram, and fault code troubleshooting will give you a step-by-step guide on how to do proper diagnostics on that fault code, so that it does not occur in 5 days again. Next step is wiring connections, which once checked, if it did not solve the problem, you can move to the step 3. Step 3 will show you check the control unit and how to address that part, and we can go on and on until the fault code is solved. And clear the fault codes is the final part. Diagrams are going to show you the full wiring schematic. You'll find pinouts, you'll find locations, and you'll be able to easily navigate through all of that and find what you're looking for when it comes to parts. This is the CA1 is the main engine management control unit. In case if you double click, it's going to show you that exact part, as well as its pinouts, location, and system components. Monitoring is for the live sensors connected to the engine, so it's going to have more than 200 sensors, which you can select and follow them through how they perform in live data selection, or you also have live system displays of the fuel system. And the exhaust gas systems through schematics. This is the fuel system overview. This is the exhaust gas system 1, system 2, and system 3. This is turning them on and off. System checks, you'll be able to do cylinder cutout and all of these tests as well. You will always have an explanation of what's about to happen. This is the 6-cylinder engine. Next step, you'll have initial conditions that you must meet before you proceed, and after that you're going to have this test itself, where you select cylinders which you want to turn on and off. Next stage, it's on, it's going off or off, and you can also check it out. So this overlay, and that's basically it. Cancel it and you will see that we have a full overview of what happened in the test. Maintenance, filter regeneration. Again, full explanation of what's going to happen, initial conditions, and the test itself. Regen, which you can follow through in this type of overview. Now it's going to take me a couple of minutes to finish it, because it's a demo kit, and here's a full overview of the Regen.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us 888-624-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.